Hello, my friends. It's RJ Jackson wishing you a Merry Christmas here on Conversations on Courage. 25 days of Christmas courage. We've made it. We've made it to the day of celebration. We've made it to the day where we can sit back with our friends and our families and enjoy one another, where after dinner we can still laugh and have a good time. So I hope that you enjoyed your day today. I hope that your Christmas was not only merry, but it was one to remember. And I pray, my prayer for you is that at the end of this day, when the decorations come down, that your joy will be built up. I pray that when the dinner is over and the dishes are done, that the ones that you love will know that you love them. I pray that on tomorrow, when the Christmas lights begin to come down, that the light is in your heart will shine bright, brighter than ever before. And I pray that you, from this point on, will partner with God. You would open up and accept all that He has for you, that your faith will be increased, and that hope and possibility will be present in your life. Thank you for opening up your home and your heart to receive me these last 25 days. It's been a joy, simply a joy to come into your home, into your heart, and remind you that God has a plan for you, a plan for hope and possibility. As we go into the Kwanzaa season and also the new year, I want to say to you that God has said in His Word that He is going to complete what He started in you, and He's ready to get started now. Open up, let Him in, and let Him do what He created you to do. After all, someone's destiny is tied to yours, and they're waiting on you to say yes so that they can live and live life to the fullest. Again, thank you so much for allowing me to come into your home. It's been a pleasure. I want to encourage you to keep in touch. You can visit me online at www.thecouragegiver.com. I'd love to talk with you, share with you, pray with you, and encourage you. So until soon, keep up your courage and stay blessed indeed.